Welcome to Mini Lesson 1, an introduction to our writing plan for our mini inquiry research paper and the Schaffer method of a two-chunk paragraph. The mini research paper that we will be writing will consist of a minimum of 4 paragraphs. We will have an introduction, and I have a 3-sentence template for you to use to introduce your paper. We will then have a body paragraph for research question 1. We will be using the Schaffer method to do this, which you'll learn about in just a moment. Please note that you are only required to write 1 paragraph for each research question. However, if you feel like you need to write 2, you may do so, but you will still need to use the Schaffer method for both paragraphs for that question. The third requirement is a body paragraph for research question 2 that you selected. Again, we will be using the Schaffer method. And then we will write our conclusion. This will be a 3-sentence paragraph to bring your paper to a close. Let's now take a look at the Schaffer method of writing a 2-chunk body paragraph. What does it mean to write a 2-chunk Schaffer body paragraph? It means that we will be writing a topic statement and developing the main idea with 2 chunks of concrete details and commentary. Our concrete details will be evidence that we find in our research. Our commentary will be our analysis of that information. This paragraph will have a minimum of 8 sentences. If you want to add a 3rd chunk of a concrete detail and an additional 2 commentary sentences, you may, but I only recommend this if you have plentiful evidence for that paragraph. Okay? Let's start with the first sentence. The topic sentence, of course, is the first one that states the main idea of your paragraph. A helpful tip for writing the topic sentence is to use the race strategy to flip the question into your statement. Next, you're going to have concrete detail sentence 1. This will be a fact or piece of evidence from your research. This should come from one of your note cards in EasyBib. You may put it in your own words, or you may do a direct quote, which we'll talk about in our next video. Now, you will do 2 commentary sentences about your concrete detail or your piece of evidence. This is where you will write 2 sentences providing analysis or interpretation of the information. This is also where you can connect it back to your statement, your topic sentence statement. Then we will have our second concrete detail, our second fact, evidence, description, so example from our research. Again, this may be put in your own words or copied directly, but it should come from one of your note cards in EasyBib. You will then write 2 commentary sentences for that concrete detail. Finally, you will end with a concluding sentence. This is where we restate our topic sentence, our main idea, and summarize our evidence. To do this, I have a chart of concrete detail sentence starters. There's also available for you commentary sentence starters. In the next tutorial video, you will see an actual example, and we'll see how to use our note cards to incorporate that evidence into our concrete details and how to write our commentaries. Thank you for watching video 1. Please continue now to video 2.